Hello, Stretch the Balloon Dude here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and testing video. A company called A-Joy Egg recently reached out to me and said they were going to send me a kit that is a balloon making kit for beginners, and they asked me to test it out and give it a shot, and so here we go. I have not seen it yet. I have the package. It arrived yesterday. I have not opened it, so we're going to open it and see what it's like. So we'll all get to find out together how this is. I will test it. I'll make a balloon or two and we'll see how it goes. Get it out of the packaging. There we go. This is the package. As you can see, it says A-Joy Egg. It's a nice box here. It's got some pictures and stuff. It says, whether you're a beginner, experienced balloon artist, you can become an artist with this set of products. Scan the QR code to access the tutorial video. So there's apparently, if you scan the QR code, there's a video online that will help you. I'm not going to do that because right now I'm concerned with what's in the box. So let's see if we can get this open without too much fuss going on here. It is taped a little bit, so let me cut the tape. There we go. We're going to open the box up. Ooh. And inside, immediately you can see there are a bunch of 260 type twisting balloons, a bundle of them here. Pretty good collection. Looks like maybe about 50 or so in a nice assortment of colors. Set that aside. There's also a little hand pump, smaller than the other ones from other companies that we bought, but we'll see how it works. A couple of markers. It even has a white. We'll test those as well. And a little box here that I'm assuming is going to have, oh, this little box has little flashcards. As you can see, and each flashcard has a design and instructions on the back. Okay, this is for a red heart. There's a cluster of grapes, sword, looks like another sword, a nice little assortment, turtle, dog, mouse. So before and there are the QR codes that you can scan. 8 basic skills for a beginner. So you scan that QR code. I would, but I'm using my phone to record this, so I can't do that right now. I'll test them later perhaps. And I'm not going to make one of the ones on the card. First I want to test the quality of the balloon. So I'm going to pull out one of the balloons here. They feel pretty thick, pretty consistent with both, and I will even use their little pump after I drop it. And let's see so we can test the pump as well. Get the balloon on the nozzle here. It is a dual action pump, meaning of course it pumps both ways. And the balloon feels pretty sturdy. Color's nice. Not too thin. Little, not quite a full 2 inches in diameter. I'll take another in a minute and I'll blow it up to the end and see how long it is. Let's see how it twists. Just going to make a basic dog here. Seems to twist nicely. Not bad. The quality of the balloon is pretty decent. They twist nicely. Feel pretty good in the hand, so not bad at all. Now let's blow one up. We'll get a different color. And let's see how long they are, how they compare to a 260. As you can see, the diameter about 1.5 inches or so, so not bad. Let's blow this one up all the way to the end. The pump is not super sturdy, but for a beginner it's pretty good. Now I have the balloon completely blown up all the way to the end. And it's a pretty good length. I don't think it's quite 60 inches, but long enough that you can do most of the things that you need to do with it, so that works pretty good. Now, let's go back, and I'm not holding super high expectations for the markers, but since they're here, let's go ahead and give them a try. First, we're going to try the white. Not bad. Does a pretty good job there. Still a little damp, so it takes a little longer to dry than a Sharpie, perhaps. The blacks looks nice as well. But of course, I mean, these probably aren't going to last long, but for your first kid, when you're first learning, it gives you something you can play with, and it's nice. And it's still a little bit damp. Nice that they included both the black and the white, so you can make your designs a little fancier if you like. Now back to the cards. There are no instructions on the back of the card. There's a little cute little thing that talks about it and tells you about it, but there's a QR code, and if you scan the QR code for whatever card it is, it will take you to an online tutorial that they have for each of the various designs. So that's one way you can learn. Of course, I've got lots of tutorials on my channel as well, so if you want to go check them out, all the way from beginner to very advanced ones. Overall, I would say that it's not a bad little kit. It's great for beginners if you are just getting started into balloon twisting, or if you want to teach a class and you want to provide kits for all of your students. This would be a great option if you know someone, a kid or even another adult, someone who is wanting to learn balloon twisting. I think this would be a great kit to get them started, because it's got enough balloons in there with a good selection of colors that they could spend a fair bit of time. It's at least 50, I didn't count them, but at least 50 or so balloons in there, so they've got enough that they could twist for a while. I will go back and count the balloons after, and I'll put it in the comments. I will also put a link to where you can buy these kits in the comments below, so that way you can go check them out. I think they're about $16 or $17 at this point in time. That may change, I don't know. But this is, overall, I would say for the quality of balloons is good. The pump, not the greatest pump, but for getting someone started, I think it would do a good job. At least get them going enough, and then if they decide that they like it and want to continue twisting more, then they can always go get a better pump. Or like I said, if you're teaching a class, you want to provide some for your students, this would be good. A good option, or anyone that wants to learn. So check out the link in the description below if you want to order some of these and try them out for yourselves. Leave comments. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I hope you have a very twisted and fun day. Thank you.